The whole wide world of color packed in a simple pen. Let's unravel the world of a versatile brush pen. Brush pens can be used for a variety of applications. Let's begin by trying some calligraphy. The brush-like tip flexes with pressure to alternate between thin and thick strokes. The same characteristics create perfect caricatures and cartoons. Even the finest of details are easy to lay down with sharp, accurate tips. Next, let's try a landscape drawing. Brush pen colors tend to blend together in order to create new shades and novel effects. You won't miss your regular paints and brushes. Now, let's try a portrait drawing. The durable tip remains intact throughout the process, ensuring every stroke is uniform. Brush pens also deposit color in a consistent manner. So, you're likely to end your portrait the same way you started it, with clean, sharp lines. Need a fuss-free outlet for your creative desires? Grab a brush pen, the mightiest of them all.